Here in America, people, again, there's a lot of skepticism around stem cell therapy, and there should be.
You were just talking about saying, hey, it's important to differentiate the application of the stem cells and whether it's done through IV or if it's dangerous to do it this way.
So say you had a meniscal tear, getting an injection into your knee is going to be the most effective, right? But there's also things like IV stem cells for longevity purposes. It's important to note that with IV stem cells, they can be quite large in size, where it can get trapped in the lungs. And I think that's why it's important to make sure you have exosomes in your treatment as well, because they're much smaller and they can cross the blood-brain barrier and again help redirect the stem cells to where they need to be.
That's the messenger when it tells it where to go.
Exactly. But the stem cells itself are quite large and get trapped in the lungs.
As this is an emerging field, right, with stem cells, with peptides, and all of this, if we had been doing this podcast 2 years ago, how different was the information then? And how different will it be in 2 years?
I think the answer is just education and continue to do to get our studies, do case reports so that other physicians can help their community to get better, regenerate, do the things that they need to do to help live a full life. 2 years ago, again, the answer is we didn't have as much information. And 2 years from now, we're gonna have more information. I also wanna mention that in the States, we are behind, right? There's Sweden, Germany, India, Japan, all these countries have been practicing or incorporating stem cell or regenerative health into their treatments for many years. And so a lot of the studies that we do have now are based out in these countries. Here in America, people, again, there's a lot of skepticism around stem cell therapy, and there should be.